Gene editing, the ability to make highly specific changes in the DNA sequence of a living organism, essentially customizing its genetic makeup. This definition is by Britannica. Welcome to Eon's Future Past. Gene editing reshapes life. Machine learning deciphers patterns, and quantum computing unlocks unparalleled processing power. In this video, we journey into these dynamic realms where innovation truly is unlimited. Now, imagine a world where we can double our life expectancy through the power of gene editing. Recent research has revealed the astonishing potential of genetic manipulation to unlock the secrets of longevity. Scientists have identified genes in mice that regulate lifespan and have edited these genes to extend the lives of these creatures by a staggering 23%. These breakthroughs offer a glimpse into the possibility of humans living well beyond their current expectations. Researchers have delved into the genetic clues behind animal lifespan extension by partially suppressing a specific gene associated with cell growth and metabolism, hence achieving this remarkable result. This achievement is equivalent to extending the average human lifespan by an impressive 16 years. The study also highlights the intricate connections between genes, aging, and organ-specific effects. Among the most promising leads in this quest for extended lifespans is SARTUIN6, or SART6 in short. SART6 is a gene. This longevity gene has been linked to healthy aging and longer life expectancy. Through genetic modifications, researchers have successfully increased the production of the SART6 protein in mice, resulting in this boost mentioned earlier, that boost of life of the 16%. If successful in humans, one could live up to 130 years. That's pretty much an extra generation, if you ask me. Now, these findings provide valuable insights into the potential to control the rate of healthy aging in humans. Now, it is important to note, genetic editing isn't limited to humans and animals. It's also transforming the world of agriculture. A Purdue University researcher has discovered a genetic fountain of youth for tomatoes. By introducing a yeast gene, researchers were able to extend the shelf life of tomatoes by an additional week. This innovation could revolutionize crop preservation and benefit regions with limited access to fresh produce. So basically, the candle is burning at both ends to extend human life and animal life. Okay, with all this, let's now try to understand what the genome actually is and what it has to do with all this. So, the human genome, our genetic instruction manual, holds the key to understanding our biology, evolution, and diseases. Well, while the human genome was sequenced in the early 2000s, recent advancements have revealed that areas with repeating DNA bases previously thought to be non-functional are linked to various health issues. The ability to sequence these areas could significantly impact our understanding of and ability to treat complex conditions, and consequently increase life expectancy significantly. Now, we have to look at something called the telomere. As we age, telomeres undergo a gradual process of shortening. But what are these telomeres? Telomeres are the protective caps located at the ends of our chromosomes, resembling the plastic tips on shoelaces. They play a vital role in maintaining the stability and integrity of our genetic information during cell division. However, each time a cell divides, a portion of a telomere is lost. This natural telomere shortening is linked to the biological clock within our cells. Eventually, as telomeres become progressively shorter with each cell division, they reach a critical point where they can no longer effectively protect the genetic material. When this happens, cells may become more prone to damage, mutations, and errors in replication. As a result, the cells might enter a state called replicative senescence, where they cease to divide or function properly. This process contributes to the overall aging of tissues and organs in our bodies. It is important to note that while telomere shortening is a normal part of aging, it's influenced by various factors, including genetics, lifestyle choices, and environmental factors. Certain behaviors, such as chronic stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, have been associated with accelerated telomere shortening, potentially accelerating the aging process. Now, on the other hand, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, managing stress, and engaging in regular physical activity may help preserve the telomere length and consequently promote healthier aging. Now, research into telomeres and their role in aging is ongoing, and scientists continue to explore ways to potentially intervene in the telomere shortening process to enhance longevity and overall health. The potential to artificially extend telomeres to curb aging is an area of active scientific research and investigation. While there has been significant progress in understanding telomeres and their role in aging, directly and safely extending telomeres remains a complex challenge with ethical and medical considerations. All right. So, several approaches have actually been explored in laboratory settings, including the use of enzymes called telomerase to lengthen the telomeres. Now, telomerase is a naturally occurring enzyme that can add DNA sequences to the ends of telomeres, counteracting their natural shortening. In some cases, researchers have successfully extended telomeres in laboratory cells or organisms, leading to increased cell lifespan and delayed aging-related changes. However, there are still risks, such as cancer, as telomerase is often inactive in most human cells, including most adult somatic cells, as its activity is tightly regulated to prevent uncontrolled cell division. Artificially activating telomerase could potentially lead to uncontrolled cell growth and cancer development. Health and safety concerns regarding tinkering with natural cellular processes. Aging itself is complex, with telomere shortening not being the sole determinant of aging. Extending telomeres might not address all age-related health issues. However, usually the more we understand something, the better we get at applying it. Soon, we may move beyond extending life of cells in the lab to more organisms. If it has not already been done in private labs. Okay, now let's get into using artificial intelligence. Believe it or not, everything is interconnected. So, actually, some people are seeing how to connect artificial intelligence to extending life. So, what is this combination? Artificial intelligence and the biology itself. So, there are several companies trying to attempt this kind of integration. So, I'll speak about some of them, and you'll be surprised at the work that is actually being done. But a lot of people out there are trying to tackle this thing called aging. In fact, some people consider aging simply as a disease, because as we all know, there are so many creatures that do not age. For example, some jellyfish, they are believed to live forever. They get old, then they go into a state of stasis. Then they have a sort of rebirth. Then they just come back. So it's like they are dying and coming back to life permanently. And there are also other large creatures like whales, which live for several years. Then even on land, we have turtles that can live for hundreds of years. So yeah, so this whole aging thing, a lot of people simply consider it as a disease that can be treated with the right science. And personally, I have a feeling in some labs, this code has already been cracked. Because there is so much research going into life extension. And if someone cracks the code privately, I don't think they would unleash that information that easily onto the world. So we'll just wait and see. Anyway, there are some people, as I said earlier, doing some research in this area. So, Deep Longevity is a pioneering entity specializing in advanced AI for aging and longevity exploration. So these guys have unveiled a significant stride. They have published an article, Artificial Intelligence in Longevity Medicine. This article was in scientific journal Nature Aging, authored by Alex Zavoronkov, Evelyn Biskov, and Kai Fu Lee. Now, if you read this paper, it makes a pivotal contribution to the fusion of AI and the quest to extend human lifespans. The Hong Kong-based company Deep Longevity is specialized in advanced AI, specifically for aging and longevity exploration. Now, their paper name, Artificial Intelligence in Longevity Medicine. Again, it's in a known scientific journal, Nature. But just like many of these companies, there is a lot of posturing, but no tangible results. So, with Deep Longevity, I tried to read their work, but you don't really find what they have actually done. It's more of posturing. So a lot of these companies have the word AI in their name. However, it's just for branding and posturing. So I'll keep watching the company, but I hope it's not another bust. We'll see. However, there is another company that is at least on track. We are talking quantum computing, biology, and AI, all of it working in tandem. So I'll talk a bit about this company and a bit of quantum biology and all this related to aging. And of course, all this is intertwined with genetic editing, whether you're using AI or you're using quantum biology or whatever it is. It has to do with aging, and it has to do with aging because the whole point of genetic editing is to extend human life. So basically, everyone is trying everything to try and curb this aging process. So, in 2021, there was a collaboration between Allosteric Bioscience and Polaris Quantum Biotech. These two united, looking for a way to combine computing and longevity research by harnessing the power of a quantum-driven AI platform named QAB. Allosteric Bioscience is embarking on a transformative journey to revolutionize drug discovery with a specific focus on advancing our understanding of aging. longevity, and age-related diseases. This collaboration is a pioneering and innovative approach, amalgamating quantum computing's computational prowess with the intricate realms of genomics, genetics, proteomics, and systems biology, and a lot more fancy words, but yes, they are doing it. Through this fusion, the intention is to unravel the intricate factors and pathways that contribute to the aging process. The first target in their sights is progeria. What is that? Progeria is a genetic disorder with relevance to aging. Although progeria exhibits distinct characteristics from normal aging, shared physiological changes have been identified. Leveraging the intrinsic capabilities of genetics as nature's quantum computer, the collaboration has successfully pinpointed a protein target, with connections to both progeria and the broader aging process. The identification of this target marks a significant step forward, and ongoing research is delving deeper into its implications. This pioneering venture underscores the growing intersection between quantum computing, artificial intelligence, and biomedical disciplines, hinting at a future where quantum-powered insights could potentially reshape our understanding of aging and pave the way for novel interventions to promote longevity and, of course, combat age-related ailments and things of that nature. So, there you have it, my fellow explorers. From gene editing's potential to rewrite the story of aging, to quantum-powered collaborations that could unlock the secrets of longevity, we are actually witnessing a future that would make even the wildest sci-fi dreams seem tame. While we might not have all the answers just yet, one thing is clear. The boundaries of life as we know it are expanding, and we are on the brink of a revolution that could redefine what it means to live long and prosper. Until next time, keep your minds curious and your eyes fixed on the horizon of discovery. Later.